This video will show you how to change an advisor in administrative banner. From My Purdue, you'll navigate to the Banner tab and click on Administrative Banner. From there, you will go to the Banner form to update advisors. You will enter in the student's POID and the term we're making the change for, and click Go. I am going to remove this person by selecting Delete, hit the Save button, and now I want to add a new advisor in. Select the advisor type and make sure you have primary. Do not put an end term. Let the system do the work for you. We have a from term and a to term of 99999. Leave that and hit save.